It was at that moment. It was at that moment he knew he messed up. Okay, guys, I don't really know what was with that. But hey, what's up, guys? As you guys can see that was my little intro. Just kidding. But you guys are probably wondering what's with that video. I wanted to entertain you guys by reacting to one of my to that video of mine that I uploaded to one of my videos. Before I got started with this video, I figured that I'd have you guys watch me react to one of my videos before I get started with this video. So now we're gonna get right into this video. What we're gonna be doing is looking for some haters that I don't like. So if you guys enjoy this video, then be sure to smack that like button. Let's see if this video can get to 20,000 likes. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe to the Fiery Flame, which is me. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Oh, and also don't forget to subscribe to Squishy Gas. And also don't forget to subscribe to Squishy Gasoline, one of my friends on YouTube. And but yeah, if you enjoy this video, then be sure to smack that like button, and let's get right into it. So what we're doing here is we are on Google, and we're gonna be reacting to one of my videos. So we are gonna be reacting to what that we're gonna be reacting to. We are gonna be reacting to this. So let's react to it. hold up. Okay, okay. As you guys may remember, in this video, I remember smiling and shaking my head around. And that's what I said. See, that's what I'm saying right there. That's what I said. I can see my Halloween decoration. Halloween decorations behind me, dude. Yeah. I know that, dude. Hey, how about you shut up? I know you cannot respond to me, but that's but that's me from the past. That's me reacting right there. Sorry if I shook my computer. If you guys can see this camera vibrating, that's me accidentally shaking my computer. Oh, and Halloween is just right around the corner. Okay, let's pause the video right there. So yeah. If you guys do remember, then that's me right there. How much longer is this video that I uploaded? What the heck is that crunching sound? New sound and oh, my lightsaber's on. Oh, and oh, my lightsaber's on. My lightsaber's on. Oh, hold on, guys. I need to fix them. Okay, I will. That's YouTube right there. Wait a minute, hold up, wait a minute. Why am I recording myself? That's YouTube right there. Hey me from the past. Yo. Okay guys. Hold up guys. Hold hold up, guys, hold up. Hold up, guys, hold up. I just recorded myself making a video. That's YouTube right there, guys. That's YouTube right there. There. And Halloween and I think I should do a Halloween video because Halloween's just right around the corner. Maybe I'll do a creepypasta story time on my YouTube channel or a creepypasta video. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Yeah, wait a minute. What's behind me? What's behind me? Are you kidding me? What's behind me? Really? No.